How to change Duolingo app language. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So if this video has helped you out, please let me know in the comments or simply just leave a like so I actually know that this video has helped you out. So let's get started right away. And as you can see, I over here have a language. For me, that is Japanese. And if I see if I click on the top left corner where you can see the flag of the language that you're currently learning, then this will pop up, and here you can see that we can add a new course. So right beside the Japanese flag, we can see a plus icon with course. That's where we need to click on. And here we have a bunch of different languages. So since I'm Dutch, I immediately get recommended for Dutch speakers. And for Dutch speakers, there's only English, German, and French. For English speakers, you have a lot of these other languages as well, as you can see, like a bunch of them. And if you click on more, even more will appear. So here we can see for Arabic speakers, so you have these 4 options. For Bengali speakers, only this option. For Chinese speakers, you have all of these options. For French and everything else, for German speakers. So it kind of just depends on how many languages there are available for your language. So for English, since that is the most spoken language, there is a lot of options, right? So you have to learn it from English to that other language. But not every single language is translated correctly between the two. So, for example, over here, right, like I am Dutch, but let's say I want to learn Japanese, then I need to learn it from English to Japanese, and or else it's just not possible because there is no option for it, as you can see, for my language at least. So it just really depends on how many options there are for your language. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That is how to change Duolingo app language.